Ever thought a compact SUV could turn heads and make your daily drive feel like a mini adventure? Meet the 2025 Toyota Corolla Cross, where style meets practicality in ways you never imagined. Compact SUVs are like the smartphones of the car world. Everyone has one, but not all are created equal. Enter the 2025 Toyota Corolla Cross, a vehicle that combines Toyota's renowned reliability with fresh design updates and advanced technology, making it a standout choice for those seeking versatility and flair in their daily drive. The 2025 Corolla Cross introduces bold updates like the vibrant Soul Red crystal color with optional two-tone designs, adding a stylish touch. The refreshed front fascia and grille give it a modern edge, while sleek LED headlights and 18-inch alloy wheels complete its confident look. Inside, the Corolla Cross delivers comfort and practicality. The 8-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto ensures seamless connectivity. Spacious seating, rear vents, and versatile cargo space make it perfect for daily errands and weekend trips. Under the hood, the gas-powered 2.0-liter engine provides a responsive 169 horsepower, while the hybrid option boosts efficiency with 196 horsepower and up to 42 miles per gallon. The smooth suspension balances comfort and agility, making every drive enjoyable. The Corolla Cross excels in safety and tech. Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 includes adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist for peace of mind. Optional features like a panoramic sunroof and JBL sound system enhance the driving experience. The 2025 Toyota Corolla Cross redefines the compact SUV with its blend of style, tech, and performance. Whether you're commuting or exploring, this SUV delivers. What do you think? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more car reviews.